In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Kick support. This process is essential for getting help with your Kick.com account, streams, subscriptions, or any technical issues you may encounter. Having a solid understanding of how to reach out for support ensures that you can resolve your concerns quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open the Kick website. You can do this by typing in the URL in your browser or by searching for Kick.com on your preferred search engine. This is your starting point for accessing the help resources available. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the Kick platform. This is where you will begin your journey to getting the assistance you need. Next, go to the Kick Help Center. You can usually find a link to the Help Center at the bottom of the homepage or in the site's menu. Clicking on this link takes you to a dedicated space designed to help users like you find answers to common questions. The Help Center is a valuable resource as it contains a wealth of articles and guides that cover a range of topics. This means you might find the solution to your issue without needing to contact support directly. After you've accessed the Help Center, search for your issue or browse the help articles. The search bar allows you to type in keywords related to your problem. Alternatively, you can navigate through the provided categories. This step is crucial because it can save you time. Many users find answers to their questions right here, which means you may not need to wait for a response from the support team. If you still need assistance after reviewing the articles, select the option to contact support or submit a support request. This option is usually clearly visible on the Help Center page. By clicking this, you will be directed to a form where you can provide more specific details about your issue. This step is important as it ensures that the support team gets all the necessary information to assist you effectively. Now, provide your account details and describe your issue. Be as detailed as possible in your description. This includes any error messages you might have received or specific actions that led to the problem. Clear communication is key here so that the support team can understand your situation. This helps them to address your issue more quickly and accurately. Once you've filled in all the required information, submit your request and wait for a response from the support team. After hitting submit, you should see a confirmation message. This makes sure your changes are saved and that your request is in the queue for review. It's normal to feel anxious during this wait, but rest assured that the support team will get back to you as soon as they can. If you prefer, you can also contact Kick by email. For general support inquiries, use the email address support@kick.com. This email address is suitable for most questions you may have. If you are a partner or have press inquiries, you can reach out to Kick Partners at kick.com or press@kick.com respectively. Each of these addresses is tailored for specific types of inquiries, ensuring that your message goes to the right team. Kick also provides dedicated email addresses for different types of inquiries. For technical support, use techsupport@kick.com. For subscription-related questions, you can email subscriptions@kick.com. If you need to appeal a ban, contact appeals@kick.com. Lastly, for partnership inquiries, use partnerships@kick.com. Note that for account-related issues, it's vital to contact Kick using the same email address associated with your Kick account. This helps the support team verify your account and resolve your request more quickly. Keep in mind, Kick's Help Center is available 24/7 and is often the fastest way to get assistance. By utilizing these resources, you can ensure that your experience with Kick is smooth and enjoyable.